Hello everyone, and we're back at the tennis game refactoring. After several changes, we have now made this main class a little bit thinner, and we moved some logic to the arbiter class, and we detect the result. Now, after some simplifications, or maybe not simplification, but splitting the responsibilities into smaller objects, it's now more obvious that there are some bugs in the code. And this is very typical for any kind of refactoring session where you just change the code and suddenly it screams to you that there is a bug. So the obvious bug here is that we have hard-coded player 1 here. And even though all the tests are running, they're running because they're all prepared for assuming that it's player 1, player 2 always. And that's an interesting thing during refactoring, because when you are detecting a bug, you should always ask your question, is that the thing that I should be fixing? If it's easy to fix, then obviously we should do it. But sometimes it's better to document the bug, maybe add it to the backlog, and just forget it about for now, and just carry on with whatever was our goal. So maybe we're working on another feature, maybe not. But if it's like a very simple bug, then obviously we can fix it immediately. So what should I do? Because the fix is very easy, right? Instead of the hard coding name, I should be using this and all the tests are passing. But is this a correct thing? It's not. The problem is that if we are doing this way, just fixing the code, we really have no way of ensuring that someone else sooner or later will not break this code again. That's why it's always important to have at least one test case. In our case, it's very easy. I'm just, this is the expectation message. Actually, this one was correct, but the code will break anyway because of the player 2 is advantaging, but there are different messages now. So that's enough. And only now we can fix this. Yep. So that was a very easy fix, and probably talking too much about very simple case. I just wanted to show you two things. First of all, in this case, it was very easy fix, so I can just apply the fix. I'm sure it's a bug, so I can just apply the fix. But sometimes if you notice a bigger thing, it's better to decouple from it. Don't try to fix everything at once. Just document in the backlog or somewhere else that if the player name is not player 1, then we have a bug. And then maybe the business can prioritize, or maybe you can prioritize. Obviously here it's very, very simple, so you can just fix it. And but the second thing from this video is that always write a test before you change the production code. It's very important, because otherwise someone can introduce regression later, assuming that everything is tested, and it's actually your fault then. Thank you.